This is an example of kinetic energy. A kinetic energy are things associated with motion. Example, a man riding a bicycle. Potential energy is stored energy waiting to be used. Ball pad.
This is the example of gravitational potential energy. It depends to our position and location.
Example of elastic potential energy. Elastic potential energy is kind of things that can be stretched.
Example of chemical potential energy. A water molecule has 3 atoms, 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. Yummy!
This is the example of thermal energy and kinetic energy.
This is the example of motion.
This belong to kinetic energy.
This is a radiant energy and this is belong to potential energy. This is a chemical and this is a belong to potential energy.
This is a gravitational energy. It belong to potential energy.
This is elastic energy and this is belong to this is a nuclear and this is a belong to potential energy. This is electrical energy and this is a belong to potential energy.
Let's talk about potential and kinetic energy. An energy is an ability to do work. An energy can be potential or kinetic. But what is potential and kinetic energy? Potential energy is energy stored in an object or system of objects. On the other hand, kinetic energy is the energy of motion observable as the movement of an object or subatomic particle. Here is an example of EJ riding his bicycle. This example is 2 energy transformed by each other, where potential energy is transformed into kinetic energy. There are 3 types of potential energy, and these are:
gravitational potential energy is the energy stored in an object due its height above the earth. Elastic potential energy is an energy stored as a result of applying a force to deform an elastic object. Chemical potential energy is the potential energy stored in an arrangement of atoms within molecules.
The tree absorbs light energy from sunlight, converting the light energy into chemical potential energy stored in chemical bonds The tree uses this energy to build leaves and branches and fruit.
Elastic potential energy. This energy is stored as a result of applying a force to deform an elastic object.
A bicycle is an example of kinetic energy, can convert up to 90% of person energy and movement.
Sound energy is a form of kinetic energy caused by the physical vibration of air particles or molecules. In this example of kinetic energy, the electrical current transfers the charge from a battery of the light bulb. When a projectile is moving through the air, it is subject to the force of gravity which causes it to move down toward the earth. It is also kinetic energy.
Today, the topic of this video is all about the conservation of mechanical energy. What is mechanical energy?
Mechanical energy is the energy that possessed by an object due to its motion or due to its position.
Do you know there are two basic forms of mechanical energy? First, the potential energy. Second, the kinetic energy. This is the example of potential energy.
And this is the example of kinetic energy.
The three different types of potential energy is the gravitational potential energy, the elastic potential energy, and the chemical potential energy.
Stretch the rubber band. Taking a vitamin.
So that's it guys. I hope you have learned something in this video. Bye!